Good morning, everyone. It's time for our daily financial update, where we dive into the latest developments shaping the global economy. Buckle up, because there's a lot to unpack today. On the trade front, President Trump is set to announce new country-specific tariffs in the coming weeks. This move is expected to impact major trade partners, with a focus on maintaining high tariff levels with China despite recent negotiations. Speaking of China, the recent trade talks concluded with limited details released, but agreements include the acceptance of Chinese students in U.S. universities and the continuation of rare earth mineral imports from China. Tensions between the U.S. and Iran have also been on the rise, leading to increased oil prices, though the spike appears temporary as prices have stabilized, with Brent crude settling at $69.50 per barrel. Turning to economic indicators, inflation rates in the U.S. came in slightly below expectations, with overall inflation at 2.4% and core inflation at 2.8% year-on-year. This has strengthened expectations for potential Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Producer prices, on the other hand, are anticipated to show only a slight increase, aligning with recent consumer price data. We'll also get new data on U.S. unemployment claims today, providing further insight into the labor market. In the markets, the S&P 500 and Stoxx 600 both saw declines of 0.3% amid trade uncertainties and geopolitical tensions. The euro has strengthened against the dollar, while the U.S. dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate has decreased to 144. On the corporate front, the Finnish real estate company Toivo Group Oyj has moved from Nasdaq First North Growth Market to the main market of Nasdaq Helsinki, marking a significant milestone in its growth journey. As we look ahead, the anticipated new tariffs from the U.S. could have far-reaching implications for global trade dynamics, potentially leading to increased costs for consumers and businesses and slowing economic growth. The Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates will also be closely watched, as a rate cut could provide a boost to economic activity but raise concerns about long-term impacts on inflation and asset bubbles. That's all for today's update. Stay informed and keep an eye on the markets. Have a great day.